My name is May. So it's day 2 of our trip, and right now we're going for a gym session. No gym, actually it's a HIIT session. So this is how it looks like outside our room. So beautiful.
Come on, May.
Oh, yeah.
Come on.
What?
Hey. Give everything. Knees to chest. Knees to chest. Put that water down. Nobody needs water.
He's crazy. Please ignore him. He's high on something. I don't know what's that. It's hard though. Hey, good morning. Water boy.
So what we're going to cover today, kind of a little variable for you all because it's your channels and what you're trying to promote. So one, I've created a program circuit, but also if, I don't know your individual experience with gym equipment and fitness and work. The dumbbells on your shoulder, elbows are about 45 degrees, not 90 and not completely in, 45. Whatever stance, squat you prefer. Down the elbows to knees, press up and overhead, biceps to your ears. So it happens simultaneously. So this is the one I kind of said you can't modify too much. So you have to be able to at least be able to do the sit-up. So what'll happen is, I'll go down, right? And extend the ball overhead and come up. Oh, you want to pass. Right. Pass or throw, so I guess you can't modify it. And push up on this side. Hands high five. Yep. One hand up. Push up. Cross body. And both hands here, right? Push up. Cross again. Down the other side. Opposite. There you go. Push. And then finish. Right? Because we're repeat. If you don't want to add the push up, go back on that side. We can just walk. Plank. Plank. You can just walk at your own pace. Right? But you still engage your core and engage your shoulders. So this is a partner-assisted broad jump. So you know a regular broad jump, right? Feet together, jump out, right? The goal is to start low, use the arms, explode, right? Simple. We add this, so come back here, face. I'll do the jump, you hold. So what's gonna happen is, wow, I want you to hold that tight squeezing, right? The band is gonna naturally pull you back, but you have to explode, and he has to engage his core and his back to keep being pulled forward with you. Right? It's not like that.
Flowers also? Wow. The flowers is already at the yellow one. This is our lunch. It is traditional Cambodian food. Wow. Himawari Brewery. So Himawari Hotel also has a brewery, their very own brewery.
Down to the Himawari microbrewery. So this is where we put in the water.
This one it less alcoholic, just around twice.
Oh, I need a left one. Is the Phnom Penh night market, and basically the food here, all the stores are selling the same thing. So yeah, these are the like kind of like look like, I mean the yong tau hu type. So the stalls here are like having coconut water, then ice cream. Yeah, that's all. It's a big place, but they sell very limited things.
We are on the tutut. Tutut 还是tutut?
Tuk. So this is the first time we took a Grab tuk-tuk. So if you come to Cambodia, you can actually hire the Grab tuk-tuk.
Oh, very cheap only, $1.
$1, $1 US. Woohoo! Look at the district here. National Museum of Cambodia, of Phnom Penh, and we are taking some nice photograph here. Look at all the professional photographer. Look at easy. Oh, look at her pro face. Look at the pro face.
Situation here right now.
This is a tarantula.
Because
Okay, this is a tarantula. This is real tarantula, and they cook this. They actually cook this as a dish, and this is the dish: creepy, crawly tarantulas with black pepper lime sauce. So this is the snacks. This is a tarantula snack. I think they deep fry it. Day of our trip. We are taking the tuk-tuk to the beginning queue. Oh, in the whole. Oh, sorry. We are reaching to the north side museum. This area is like industrial area. Need to walk. come to the end of our trip, and now I'm at the Phnom Penh airport, so leaving Phnom Penh. So I had a blast. Ah.